Here I have Jaecoo 5 and let me show you how to customize the transparent vehicle body on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the around view monitor, this icon right here. And then let's use the settings icon. The settings icon is located in the upper right corner. And now you've got here the transparent vehicle body. So this is an advanced off-road and parking feature, often called an invisible hood. The system blends camera footage to render a digital overlay where the car body becomes semi-transparent or fully transparent. This lets you look through the floor of the car on your screen to see exact lines, rocks or crabs directly beneath your wheels. As you can see here in that corner, we should see the semi-transparent body, but we can change it to transparent. Let's just see it, as you can see right here. Or we can also choose deactivate, and now we should see like normal car. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.